And of course the recording was interrupted just when I was about to continue. So I measured the battery voltage on this thing. Here's the battery supplying the board with the real-time clock and possibly saving some settings, I don't know. This measured at 3.02 volts, that's not full. And I think the quiescent current on this unit is quite high, so there is some modification with some of these resistors here, if I remember correctly. Removing one of these resistors helps to reduce the quiescent current of this unit a lot and will make the battery life much better. So if my unit has that problem, I will look at it and see if I can do something about that as well. But for now, I will fix the handle, I'll fix it, and fix this isolation issue here, and plug her in, and get the first experiences. Cheerio.